I don bring another interesting informate for you, my correct people. Now, you and I know say Nigerians dey see shege, as in country people dey go through a lot and it's no longer news and it's no longer funny. Even Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party be don come outside come yarn say we country Nigeria no dey fight war with anybody and nobody dey fight war with us, but now we get the highest number of internally displaced persons, and that kind of record no be better one. Now, even as country people dey suffer, e come back as if the politicians for inside the country dem dey exempted because the kind lifestyle wey dey live na luxury. This koko wey I bring come for you na about the 21 Nigerian politicians wey get multi-billion naira properties for inside Dubai, and these properties dem all of them dey for inside posh areas like Makkah Dubai, Al Makad, Palm Jumeirah, Wadi Al Safa, Madinat Al Mataya and Burj Khalifa. So no be small matter o, my correct people. The tori be say Nigerian politicians they don identify them as the second highest property buyers for inside Dubai, with over 1,800 properties wey dey linked to them. Sure na dey see matter, my correct people. And now, based on information wey we gather, we dey find out say in less than 2 decades, about 200 politically exposed Nigerians don invest 1.49 trillion for inside Dubai property market. And according to the report, most of the properties they belong to Nigerian politicians, and those properties they include flats, villas, 2 or 3 bedrooms, studios and hotel rooms. And the property now then they located in posh areas, big areas like Masa Dubai, Al Makad, Palm Jumeirah, Wadi Al Safa, Madinat Al Mataya and Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, and others, my correct people. Now, the 21 Nigerian politicians with multi-billion naira properties for inside Dubai, the number one na the former vice president wey be Atiku Abubakar and his daughter wey be Hadiza. Now, these men then get several properties for inside the United Arab Emirates, and according to reports, then they linked to a 3-bedroom flat wey they estimated at $1.23 million for inside Palm Tower, and 1-bedroom flat for inside the Trade Center. And this in 23-year-old daughter, they also get another 2-bedroom flat where they estimated at $289,305.75 for inside Hadek Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid. Then the number 2 na Nigeria's Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, maybe Lateef Fagbemi. And based on the report, this man get $85,846 property for inside Hebia Third. Then the number 3 politician na Nasir El-Rufai, still for inside Hebia Third. This man get 4-bedroom apartments where they estimated at $193,084. And this man will be Malam Nasir El-Rufai, na him be the former governor of Kaduna State. Then the number 4 politician na Yusuf Datti Baba Ahmed, will be the vice presidential candidate of the Labour Party for inside the 2023 general elections. This man now in dey linked to 8 properties where they estimated at $2.28 million. Now the properties, all of them, they located for inside posh areas. So then the number 5 are the senator who they represent Anambra South. The man named na Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. This man now get 9 properties where they linked to him, and 8 of them now they traced to his wife, will be Uchenna Ubah. And the property where they linked to Senator Ubah, it is valued at $1.13 million. And the properties now where they linked to his wife, the report no state all of them their value, but 2 of them carry $294,516 each. The 6th politician na the former governor of Sokoto State, wey be say recently him be dey cry about the situation of the country Nigeria after bandits they don reportedly sack him from him 10,000 hectares of land for inside Kaduna. And this man now him get 7 properties wey dey valued at $1.48 million, and all of them dey linked to him. Another real estate now wey be asset, e dey located at Palm Jumeirah, and that one now e dey estimated at $750,112, and this one dey traced to the former governor im wife. The number 7 na Ahmed McAfee. E get the property wey dey for inside Burj Khalifa, and the property dey valued at $822,016. E dey traced to this man, and this man now wey be Ahmed McAfee, im bin serve as governor of Kaduna State from 1999 to 2007. The number 8 na Amadu Ada Ali, wey be former chairman of the People's Democratic Party, and im daughter wey be Khadija Ali. Now dem dey linked to 3 properties. One property dey traced to im daughter. E dey valued at $422,887. The number 9 politician na the former governor of Borno State, im name na Maina Maji Lawan, and im dey linked to 11 properties for inside Dubai. Number 10 na Cãst Bentu, wey be former special assistant to Joshua Dariye, a one-time governor of Plateau State, and im get 1 property to her name. For inside the year 2005 now, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission dem bin arrest Cãst Bentu over an allegation say im dey assist Dariye to launder money. Then the number 11 na Nigeria's former finance minister wey be Nenadi Esther Usman, and she dey linked to 1 property. While the number 12 na Ibrahim Folorunsho Jimoh, and im get 7 properties wey dey linked to am, and this senator dey represent Ondo South. Then the number 13th, this person get 5 properties wey dey traced to im name. Im na the former deputy senate presido. Im name na Ike Ekweremadu, and im dey currently serve jail term for inside the United Nations. The number 14 na Orji Uzor Kalu, wey be former Abia State governor, and im get 1 property to im name. Then the number 15 na Jeremiah Useni, and him too na former military governor of the old Bendel State, and im get 1 property wey dey linked to im name. Then the number 16 na 1 former aviation minister. Im name na Osita Chiduka, and im get real estate assets wey dey valued at $101,793.37, and e dey located at Jebel Ali First. Then the number 17 na another real estate asset wey dey linked to Olisa Meto. This person na former spokesperson of the People's Democratic Party. While the number 18 na Abdul Salami Abubakar. This man get property for inside Masa, Dubai, and him na former head of state of the country Nigeria. The number 19 na Hassan Ado Toko, and he get property wey dey valued at $1.27 million, and this man na the former principal secretary to our former president wey be Goodluck Jonathan. Then the number 20 politician na Adeyemi Ikuforiji. This na another real estate asset for inside Masa, Dubai, and e dey traced to this former speaker of Lagos State House of Assembly. Then the number 21 and the last, im name na Dan Atete. This man now he get 1 property for inside the area wey dey linked to im name, and this man na Nigeria's former petroleum minister. This my correct people na the informate wey Asimeka Sama give honor. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Know say na we be Anointed Lady TV, and we dey give ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you my correct people. No go anywhere.